Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for
southwestern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, north central Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 2:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Catoosa, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Claremore,
Catoosa,
Verdigris, Tewa, Kiowa. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 237 and 250. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Creek County. At 2:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kellyville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Okay, that's tornado warning number 2 on today, and it's in the past 10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. More likely, probably very soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.